Before you sign up with Consumer Cellular, stop right here, because most people assume bigger carriers are always better. The surprising truth is that Consumer Cellular targets seniors and light users with a focus on simplicity and affordability, which can be perfect or limiting depending on your needs. Consumer Cellular runs on AT&T and T-Mobile networks, providing wide coverage in the U.S. You won't believe what happens next when users discover they can customize plans with low data, pay only for what they use, and even pause service if needed. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume affordable means limited. Consumer Cellular offers unlimited talk and text and data plans that can scale as needed. The key is knowing your usage-heavy data users may find speed slower than major unlimited plans. The setup process is simple. Choose a plan online or via phone, order your SIM, and activate it. The company is known for friendly customer service, including a call center that prioritizes clear explanations without upselling. The downside is that while coverage is generally good, network speed may not match what you'll get directly from AT&T or T-Mobile, especially during peak hours. Heavy streamers or gamers may notice the difference. The surprising truth about Consumer Cellular is that it's one of the best carriers for users who want low cost, flexible service with excellent support, but it's not ideal for data-intensive users. If this honest review helped you decide whether Consumer Cellular fits your needs, subscribe for more mobile carrier insights.